Welcome to St. John, Canada. It's day 4 at sea. We finally see land. Island with the lighthouse. We're really close to the buoys. Got some air pollution. The boat is farting again. Here's St. John. Soon we'll be getting off the boat and we'll be exploring the port of St. John. We'll just be taking a walking tour this time. Fast, go slow, fast.
I didn't want to hold the crowd up.
Hamburg Skyline. Look, reminds me of the Fine Arts Company.
Look at the angry owl.
The angry owl. Cookie wants that painting, don't you? Did you bring a mask?
Look at this.
Oh, kitties.
What are you doing?
Right now? Just visited a nice art store. It had a felt kitty that looks like Little Meow. Its name is Charlie. Fancy Subway. I think you can find a Tim Hortons pretty much anywhere you go in Canada. This Tim Hortons really fancy. This Tim Hortons has a fireplace. It's pretty fancy. I just wish we could try more stuff. Unfortunately, we are going to be eating like all day, so. Here's my drink. It's the special s'mores drink right now. Still didn't get the cup that has the roll-up thing, but that's okay. Zach's drink. And we got a habanero chicken thing that we got to figure out how to cut in half.
Just bite it.
And try my drink. I can get my straw out. It's a paper straw. It's good. Highly recommend. Both Tim Hortons we've been in are constantly busy. Place must be killing it in Canada. Here's our habanero chicken wrap because we didn't make it to breakfast. It's got a little bit of spice, but not habanero spice. But it's good. What do you think? I like it. I wish we had Tim Hortons. We need a competitor for Starbucks. If you're ever in Canada, I definitely recommend going to a Tim Hortons instead of Starbucks. One for variety and because it's good. Goodbye, Tim Hortons of St. John. It was pretty good. Definitely try it out. It's a nice alternative to Starbucks. Now we're going to a market. So I hope it's a cool one like you see like on travel channels and stuff. City market. Is it? We're already here?
Yep.
We found a big market. There's a weird moose thing over here. Zach's getting a weird beer here. I'll sit on the cozy spot.
Yeah.
Oh, art. Zach's got himself an interesting beer. What was it called?
The Tanland Soul Patch.
How are you gonna find it in your app then?
Soul Patch Tanland. Cream IPA.
Well, he's gonna drink his beer. I'm gonna try a beer. We got Alicia. I think these look like watercolors. There's Mal. He's a funny kitty. And I like this one. So we're in this place. It's the St. John City Market. We're in Uncorked where they have some beers. And so how is that beer?
It's good. I like it.
Do you like it so much you'll miss it? You gonna drink beer at every beer place? Can't buy this stuff. This stuff we can't take on the boat. Because of the itinerary change from Bermuda to Canada, we weren't able to book any excursions because all the good ones were taken by the time we knew about the change and were able to go to the excursion desk. But we did still end up in some cool places like this market, and we'll go to a really cool bar soon, which we had actually been to before. We just didn't realize it until we were inside.
Dark and dusty, hanging on the sky, just to taste the moonshine, here lost in my eyes. Take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, mountain mama. Take me home, country voice in the morning as she calls me. Radio friends to my home far away. Driving down the road I can still feel that I should have been home yesterday. Country boys take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia.
Billy's seafood place. Zach's looking for tobacco. Is that it? Howard's Convenience. So something interesting is going on over here. We're gonna check it out. Look out. The giant statue of cool-looking trees. Big bug food. We have no idea what this is. We're just walking in on it. Maybe they just graduated or something. Well, that was creepy of us. We just kind of walked in on a school thing. We're creepers. American creepers. Here's the back of the fancy church. It looks a lot like the churches at Shepherdstown. We have churches that look like this. So if you come to West Virginia, you want to go to Shepherdstown if you want to see churches like this. This looks like the backside. Might be someone's house, but it's cool looking. Creepy building. It's a coffee place. Everyone in Canada is crazy nice. These dudes just stopped us and wanted to know all about us and the cruise and everything else. Oh, look at this turtle. Everybody's just saying hi to each other. Usually in a bigger city they don't do that because there's just too many people. So it's kind of surprising. There was a Canadian woman as all the cruises were coming off and she literally was saying hi to every single one of them. There's a Canadian stop sign. Sounds like somewhere you would want to go. And all there is, maybe they're competitors. They fight each other. I don't think that one looks open. This one looks open though.
I think we came here when...
Yeah, I think it is. Maybe part of the tour. Oh, Leary's. Money from all over the world.
Yeah, we will. Thanks very much.
Oh, live entertainment.
When you go into a city street, you might be in for a group. When you hear the music calling and you know it's meant for you. You rock what you were doing, hold it down the pub. Find an Irish pub. Run the Honolulu and there's only one scope. Take a photo of the city and a couple of canoes. So when you sing a full of pint, you'll always have a job. If you're ready to go around the world, you'll find an Irish pub.
Here's my Bailey's White Russian. With this that kind of beer, of course. What is your beer?
This bar's Irish Red, O'Leary's Irish Red.
So let's see. Bailey's in the White Russian.
No video bride we can cry.
I think it's good.
Never see.
He's singing this for us. He sang that one for us. There's the boat hanging out in St. John. There's a lot of pubs in St. John. Really went to one though. Was it O'Leary's?
O'Leary's.
O'Leary's. Yep. Cause there's a singing dude. Gotta go to Lobster Co, baby. Unless they're full. I guess we'll find out. Underneath the lobster belly. There's the bar back there. My pina colada. Yeah, we're having lobster day. Lobster all day long.
Anna, you know, if you're going to make a day, lobster day is not a day.
Yeah. Alright, check this out. We got like every seafood you can imagine. Shrimp, scallops, salmon, lobster. We'll be having lobster tonight for dinner. Cookie's got the same thing except he got corn with his. We got shrimp, we got scallops, lobster. Oh yeah, look at that lobster. Yummy, yummy. So Lobster Co was pretty good. It was expensive. Our meal was like $179, but it was good. Back to the ship. And this place right next to the ship, so that makes it convenient.